Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys, as always, are having a wonderful day. Today, guys, I wanted to bring you something that's a little different for me. Sorry, just taking a drink. This is a little Sanrio mystery box. It gives you no indication of what's inside it. I bought this from Temu because I love Sanrio, and in particular, My Melody and Kuromi. They're my favorites. And I was so intrigued. This box feels like it's bulging. I mean, if you can see, this is completely flat and the top of it's bulging. The box cost me £4.75, and I could not help myself. So we're going to, and the box itself is small. It's not a big box, fully taped on all three sides. I love all of the characters: My Melody, Hello Kitty, Cinnamon Roll, Pum Pum Purin. Cannot remember this guy's name. If you guys know, let me know. And Kuromi. And I love the box. It's really nice and pink as well. So total mystery. It did not show me what was inside on the website. So I'm going to be as excited as you guys are, and I hope that it's something fun. I really, really hope it's something fun. But we're going to pop it open. Oh my gosh. Look. This already looks stunning. I think this is gorgeous. These are all, I think, Hello Kitty. We could have got someone else, but I think they're Hello. Oh, no, they're not. They're not. Totally wrong. They are just Sanrio. But I'm going to show you guys what we're starting off with. I don't even know, because they're, can you guys see those even? They are silver glittery Hello Kitty stickers. Let me see if I can do it better here so you guys can see. I'm trying not to get everything to fall out. That's not really helping. But these stickers are adorable. They are gorgeous. Can you see Hello Kitty? Oh, that's better. They're gorgeous, glittery stickers. So that's first thing that we have. I'm going to set this to the side because it looks odd, and it may be for something else. But we have some... I really am not great at dropping everything today. And guys, just as an FYI, this listed as authentic licensed Sanrio. I don't know if that's possible on Temu or not, but hey ho, that's what it said. So this is a little sticker book. They're sticker notes in My Melody, which are cute and adorable. This is a My Melody. This is a My Melody. I don't know what. Oh. I don't even know what this is. I thought it was a pen. Is it? I think this was supposed to be a pen, and it's broken. I think. Yeah, I think this was supposed to be a pen, and it's broken. I don't even know what that thing is, but this looks to me like it's broken. That's a bit of a shame, but I completely understand. Inside here, we have a ring. A ring. What? Now, bear this in mind. This must be a little kitty's box, because this ring is teensy weensy. But, so sorry, something keeps catching me. It is a ring with a pattern. I'm not even sure what pattern is on there, but you can adjust it. It is just a little cheapy costume ring. Sanrio, nice. Oh, we've got a book. Yeah, guys, I definitely think this was supposed to be a pen. There's nothing inside there because we got a little Hello Kitty notebook, which is also, like, this is adorable. This is a cute little notebook. Fully lined inside. I like the binder. Hello Kitty on the back. Oh, I threw it away again. And I'm loving the cover as well. That's adorable. We got a Hello Kitty Her Bubble. That is so cute in this gorgeous pink. And it's like gingham pink, which is so nice. This is so cute. We got a cinema roll hair clip, one of these bendable ones. That's adorable if you're putting your hair up in a ponytail and you have the little clip. I'm loving the blue cloud shape. That's so cute. Okay, a bottle opener. What's this character's name, you guys? Can you tell me? There's a magnet on the back. The magnet is so out of place. This box is definitely not licensed, in my opinion. The the magnet is out of place. It is a bottle opener, and I'm assuming that this bottle opener would be for things like the Japanese juice bottles that you need a bottle opener to crank it open. But it's still cute. I will use it. And it's adorable. Again, I don't know who this character is. Somebody please put in the comment section below for me so that I know. And I think, oh yeah. So this, where's that other bit? So this was in the box, and this must be like a crayon. So is this a crayon? I'm not sure. Does this go in here? Maybe. And then do we put this back in here? And maybe the box isn't broken. But then how does it work? This is a tough one. Does not fit in that way. Does not fit this way. I wonder, does this go here? Oh my gosh, I have no idea. No idea. But I'm assuming this, oh, maybe it goes this way. Ah. And then does this go here? This goes, oh gosh, this is so hard. Does this go here? Oh my gosh. Guys, I think this is supposed to be a crayon. And if I figure out how to work it, I will. But I like the fact that the crayon is in Hello Kitty pink. Really nice. I'm going to try and see if I can fix this and then come back to you guys. If I can't, I can't, but I will try. So guys, I fixed it as much as I think I can. I'm really not sure how this works, but it definitely was a crayon to color in on the little book. Again, not a great quality, but so far, not horrific either. This is what I'm excited for. Did not know you got a tote bag in this little package, but oh my gosh, am I so excited. This tote bag is gorgeous. Look, it is so stinking cute. It's got Hello Kitty, it's got her little doll or her little bear, little lunchbox, book, mirror, not sure what that is, but is this Donglo? I'm not sure how to say it. It's only one-sided. I don't really care. But this is so stinking cute. This is so stinking cute. Guys, this tote bag alone is probably worth around £3. We got all the added extras, the notebook, the janky crayon, the little ring. We got the sticky pads, which are cute. You don't get a ton of them, but they're My Melody and they're adorable. Bottle opener, which is a little weird for me in this pack. We got a little hair bubble. We got the clip and we got the Sanrio stickers. I mean, I am not unhappy at paying the price that I paid for this bag or for this box. I would definitely buy another one to see if I get the same kind of things, because this is good value in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. But for everything that we got in this box, I think I got value for money. Even if it isn't licensed products, even if it's not. I still think I definitely did good with this little box. Guys, thank you for taking the time to share with me. Thank you for watching the video. Please leave any comments in the comment section below, especially around the characters. Please feel free to like, share, subscribe, and leave comments in the comment section below. In the interim, guys, I'm going to say have an amazing evening. Please take care. And I'll catch you next time. Bye.